Dear brothers and sisters, we go out almost every day out of our house. We go to school, we go to offices, we go to bazaar, we go to everywhere. But at the time of leaving our house, what do we say? You know it very clearly.
بسم الله توكلت على الله لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله.
We memorize it and we keep on repeating every day, each time when we step out of our house. What does it really mean? What's the impact and what's the expectation from this word? When you say Bismillah, Tawakkaltu ala Allah, in the name of Allah I trust. Who do you trust? Not a security guard. Who do you trust? Not your driver. Who do you trust? Not your brother or sister who's going with you. But we trust in Allah, in the name of Allah. Why? Because there is no strength or power except with the Allah. Nothing can happen to me without the will of Allah. There is no bigger strength and no bigger power than Allah. If Allah protect me, nobody can harm me when I am outside my house. So dear brothers and sisters, when we are leaving the house, when we are reading,
بسم الله توكلت على الله لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله.
in the name of Allah, I trust in Allah, and there is no strength or power except with Allah. Dear brothers and sisters, we have to have a faith in Allah that He is the one, the best protector when I leave home. Thank you.
Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala